Welcome back, my friends, to our wild Ohio. In the heart of Ohio, hidden beneath the whispering trees and dappled sunlight, lies a treasure coveted by nature's foragers. This remarkable fungus, scientifically known as Morchella esculenta, boasts a striking honeycomb-like appearance that beckons the adventurous at heart. Its spongy cap, adorned in a palette of yellowish-brown hues, reveals a textured tapestry of light ridges and dark pits, a true marvel of the forest. But the yellow morel is not just a pretty face. It thrives in rich, loamy soils, forming an alliance with the ancient giants of the woodland ash, elm, and apple trees. As spring unfolds, and after the gentle caress of a spring rain, these culinary gems burst forth, signaling the onset of the foraging season. From late April to early June, Ohioans venture into the woods, their eyes keenly searching for these elusive mushrooms. What sets the yellow morel apart? It's not just its rarity, but its extraordinary flavor and nutty, earthy delight that elevates any dish to gourmet status. Yet, heed this warning. To savor this delicacy, it must be cooked. For raw, morels can be treacherous, cloaked in a toxicity that lurks beneath their alluring facade. In 1988, Ohio embraced the yellow morel as its official state mushroom, a testament to its significance in the state's natural tapestry and the passionate pursuit of its local foragers. Join us as we delve deeper into this enchanting world of wild wonders, where each mushroom has a story and the thrill of the hunt is just the beginning.
Thank you for watching our Wild Ohio. Please like and subscribe. Any support is greatly appreciated. Have a wonderful day.